Today, I'll show you how to authenticate Protonmail by setting up a recovery email and confirming your account step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and how to make sure your Protonmail account is properly secured and authenticated. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official site and then log into your account if you aren't already. You should see your inbox or your main Protonmail dashboard once you're signed in. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This icon represents your settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Protonmail keeps all of the options for managing your account, security, and preferences. After you click the gear icon, a panel or menu will open. From here, you'll want to switch from the quick settings view to the full settings view. Look for an option labeled All Settings and click on it. This takes you to the main settings area where you have more detailed control over your account. Once you're in the full settings section, find and click on the Recovery tab or section. The wording may vary slightly depending on Protonmail's interface updates, but you're looking for anything that mentions recovery or account recovery. This is the area where you can add a recovery email address that will help you regain access to your account if you ever forget your password or get locked out. On the recovery page, you'll see a field where you can enter a recovery email. Choose an email address that you currently have access to and that you trust. It should be secure, not shared with other people, and something you check regularly. Carefully type this email address into the recovery email field. Take a moment to double check for any typos, since this address may be used for important security communications. After entering your recovery email, look for a button that says Save and click it. This tells Protonmail to store the recovery email you just provided. At this point, Protonmail may prompt you to confirm that it's really you making this change, which is an important security measure. When you click Save, a dialog box will appear asking you to enter your account password. This is the same password you use to log into Protonmail. Type your password carefully. This step prevents someone else from changing your recovery information if they somehow gain brief access to your device or browser. Once you've entered your password, find the button that says Authenticate and click it. By clicking Authenticate, you're confirming that you are the legitimate account owner and that you approve adding or updating this recovery email. Protonmail will then apply the change and link that recovery address to your account. After the authentication is complete, you may see a confirmation message indicating that your recovery email has been successfully updated or saved. At this point, your Protonmail account is properly authenticated with a recovery method in place, which adds an extra layer of protection and makes it much easier to recover access if something goes wrong in the future. That's all there is to it. You've gone from the Protonmail homepage into your settings, added a recovery email, and authenticated the change with your password.